Today we are going to look at factors and how to find them. Please take a moment to go over to the crate and grab the pages to glue them in the notebook so they look like the example on the screen. Pause the video until you are ready to begin. Factors. Factors are numbers which are multiplied together. 2 times 3 are factors. Their answer is the product. 14 is the product that we are going to be using for our first example. We are going to use the rainbow method to find all of the factors for 14. We always start with 1 as our factor pair. 1 times the number itself is a pair of factors, so 1 times 14. Then we look at the next possible factor, which would be 2. Since 14 is even, 2 is a factor. 2 times 7 also gives us 14. There are no other factors between 2 and 7 that equal 14 when multiplied together. So all of the factors of 14 are 1, 2, 7, and 14. Now try 24. List all of the factors for 24. We always start with 1 and the number itself, so 1 times 24. Since 24 is even, we know 2 is a factor. 2 times 12 is 24. One way to check for factors is to use a multiplication table. Since you know 24 is even, you can look at the 2's, go down the chart till you find 24, then go up to look to see what times 2 gives you 24. 3 is also a factor of 24. 3 times 8 gives us 24. 4 is a factor. 4 times 6 is 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 are all factors of 24. Another method to use is the T-chart. Here is 24 shown using a T-chart. The product we are using is on top, and then you're listing the factor pairs on either side of the T. Let's try 18. Again, we always know 1 is a factor, so 1 times 18. Since 18 is even, 2 is a factor. 2 times 9 gives us 18. 3 is also a factor of 18. 3 times 6 gives us 18. The factors for 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. The T-chart is just another way to organize your factors. You can also simply list out your factors. Just be very careful that you don't accidentally miss a factor. So if we are going to list the factors for 16, we would have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Please note that the 4 is only listed once. Even though to get 16, you would do 4 times 4. The factor itself is only listed one time. Now go on and fill in this factor chart with all of the missing factors. Many of them are already given for you. The ones that are blank, please find all the factors and write them in.